Basically, here's your bulb, the harness with all the wires. It's going to be connected. I already finished one. I can show you the end results. Ballast, standalone power to the car harness for the power, and bulb. What I had to do was modify this little black part here. It still didn't work after I bought it. And this mainly to keep the light bulb still. Once you get it in the hole there, go slow. And my glove already ripped. So pretty much what I'm trying to do here is put the bulb in and twist it like so. That's what I was waiting on earlier.